If you're a State Farm policyholder tonight, we are here to help. Representatives from the Florida Department of Financial Services and CFO Alex Sink's office are manning an 8 on your side phone bank for us tonight, and they are ready to take your calls concerning the State Farm pullout in Florida. The number on your screen is the one to call, 800-528-0808. If you have a hard time getting through, you may also try to call the DFS toll-free consumer hotline. That number is 877-MY-FL-CFO. There you can follow the prompt for State Farm customers. The State Farm pullout is impacting more than 100,000 policyholders in the Bay Area. And if you're one of them and scratching your head wondering how to start the process of finding a new carrier, tonight we have 8 on your side tips to help. State Farm's decision to discontinue writing property insurance spells headache for customers. But if you're an insurance agent for another company, it spells opportunity.
We have about 20 different homeowners companies that we sell for, so there are many options despite what people hear and think.
Brier Grieves has 20 years of experience as an insurance executive. Even though he will gain business thanks to the pullout, Grieves says it's not good for Florida in general.
It's going to put a strain on the insurance companies that are still here.
The good news, according to Grieves, there are more carriers writing policies in Florida now than there were a few years ago. Are you able to find people better deals?
In some instances.
The key for the consumer, spend time searching and investigating. Check several agencies and make sure you compare apples to apples.
I tell people to do their research, look into the companies, and do their homework before they choose who's going to insure their home. So it's a good time to really look into what company is insuring your home.
Even though dozens of companies are writing policies in Florida now, they might not all be companies you want covering you if catastrophe strikes.
Ideally, you're with an A-rated company is kind of A and up. You know, when you get into B and B- carriers, their financial ratings could be not as strong.
And we've put links to 2 good websites on TBO.com under keyword links. The first helps you find quotes. The second helps you figure out how those companies are rated before you make your decision. Again, these guys are here until 7 o'clock tonight, Keith.
Steve, we appreciate it. Some good information down there. Looks like we are in for a beautiful weekend.